Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Venu tutorial video. In this video, we'll be doing the initial setup of our Garmin Venu. So this is perfect if you're just getting your Garmin watch, you want to know how to turn it on and then set it up with the Garmin Connect app on your phone, so then you can start using it. So the first thing we want to do once we get our Venu out of the box is simply turn it on, and you shouldn't have to worry about doing any initial charging before you use it. It should come with some battery life. So to turn it on, all we're going to do is just press the top right button right here, and then you'll see the emblem come up, and that just means that it is turning on. So give it a couple seconds to turn on. Once you see the languages going on the screen, simply touch the screen, and then the first option is just going to be where we scroll through all the available languages on the watch and select the language that we want to use. So I'm going to go up to English and select it by just tapping it on the screen. And then once we see pair with phone, we're going to hit the check mark. So now we need to go to our phone and download the Garmin Connect app from our respective app store, either the Google Play Store or the iTunes App Store. And check the description because I will have direct links in the app stores to where you can download these, as well as a detailed write-up in case you get lost during this tutorial. And just for reference, this is what it will look like in the iTunes App Store. So you just want to go ahead there and install the app. Once you get the app installed, go ahead and open it up. If it's your first time using a Garmin watch, you'll have to create an account, and then it will bring you into the Garmin Connect app and start looking for a watch to pair with your app. Now make sure you have Bluetooth turned on your phone so that it can connect with your watch. If you've already had a Garmin watch in the past, what we'll need to do is open up the options by selecting more in the bottom right on an iPhone, or on an Android phone, selecting the three horizontal lines in the top left. So I'm going to do that right now. And what we're going to do in the menu is scroll down until we see Garmin devices. Now what we need to do is select add device at the bottom. And as you can see, because the Venu was in pairing mode, my phone automatically found it. So all we need to do is select connect. If it doesn't find it, you can go through the list of available watches and try to find the Venu. Make sure that the Venu is still showing this on the screen. And if not, you may have to press the back button right here and then make sure that you go to pair with phone again. All right, so I'm going to select connect it. And now, as you can see, it's displaying some numbers on my Venu. What I need to do now is just type that on my iPhone. So I'm going to type that in and select pair. If you've had multiple Garmin watches, you can select to have the Venu be your preferred activity tracker. So I'm going to do that. And now it's going to go through the setup process. This shouldn't take more than a couple minutes. All right, so now our Garmin Venu is connected to our phone. As you see, I just got an email from Garmin. Now we can select next to go through a couple steps that'll set up some of the settings on the watch so that it fits our needs. The first is going to be set up our sleep times. And this is important because it helps the watch figure out when we're sleeping and helps with the accuracy of our sleep tracking. But also it sets up a do not disturb time during our sleep time so that we don't get woken up by any notifications from our phone or move bars or anything like that on the watch. So what you want to do is just set your sleep time, and then when you wake up, and then down here, want to receive notifications between these times, select no. That'll prevent any notifications from waking you up on the watch. So select next after that. Then we just select the wrist that we'll be wearing it on. I wear it on my left, so I'm going to select next. And then this right here, send your recent. This will just, if you have multiple Garmin watches, ensure that the data between all your watches is shared with each other so that all of it kind of is aggregated and available on all your watches. So I recommend selecting yes here. Select next. And then we have the option to manually set the goals for the watch, such as floors climbed, your steps, and your intensity minutes. Now by default, Garmin will make these automatically. So if you meet your goal will go up a little bit. If you don't meet your goal, it'll go down. So I recommend selecting skip, but you can edit the goal here and enter in what you want your step goal, your floors climbed, and your intensity minutes to be. So I'm going to select skip. And then now we just need to do our initial sync with our Venu. So select sync now. This might take a minute or two if there's any updates available. And then once it completes the initial sync, you're done. You can now start using your Venu. Now Garmin does offer some different things you can go through here to learn more about how to use the Venu. So if you just select next, it'll teach you how to set up different options and then use different features available on the watch. So I recommend going through that. But you can hit skip if you want to, and then start using your Venu. One thing to keep in mind, I will be doing tons of tutorials on the Venu, such as how to set up custom watch faces or install third-party watch faces. Also how to upload music to the watch so you can use it on your activities without having to have your phone with you, different things like that. So I recommend checking the description for those tutorials below. So that's how you do the initial setup on your Garmin Venu. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.